What's happening, guys? Been a couple of days. Wanted to give a quick update on progress over here out in Dennis. So what we've been working on is obviously getting the steps established going across the two upper and lower patios. So today, got everything cleaned out of here. We are prepping for concrete pour on Tuesday. So I'll be about a 5.5, 6 inch pour. Right now we're getting the subgrade pitched and leveled and compacted. Got a big 700 plus pound plate compactor. Got Matt and the 289 D3 cat. That there's going to be the fire pit, and Malik smoothing stuff out. And I got everything shot this morning. Black line represents subgrade, so we're getting that up to height and lifts and compacting it. Probably at this point, I'm probably going to bring in a load of 3/4 inch clear stone and fine tune everything with that and give it a plate compaction. So we're about there right now, and that way we can give it a good compaction. I got pitch going from the house all the way over here. We're putting in an ACO brick drain across here. It's a nice tiny slot drain. You don't even see it. So everything will pitch this way. And then again in the lower patio, I'll have that ACO brick drain from there over to there. And everything, we will pitch everything from this planter bed that way. Right now, Dave's just cutting, we put some conduit to get into this planter bed here for irrigation. It's gonna be a little bit of a flower bed right there. Put in a drain in there. Not a drain, a sleeve. So we're getting that all prepped up. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Nothing too exciting lately on the job sites, but wanted to give you an update. The other thing is I wanted to show you is the type of stone we're going to use. I don't think I had shown the stone. I know my man Max Stone was wondering, so I'm going to show you the guys. We're doing this. This is called Getty Gray. That's the thin veneer that we're going to be using. It's nice looking. I'm not a huge fan. It takes a lot of little stones to make a square foot. Those little lights, but and it's all they call this like a Getty Gray ledge stone. I wish for the scale we had some bigger pieces to do some step ups. The guys kind of basically coursed it, you know, just doing coursing. We got too many, you know, chefs, not enough cooks. Kind of saying how the stonework should be, but a lot of people on this job. But yeah, it's not bad, but that's the look we're going for. Again, this is Chatham Blue, or some people call it Blue Mist. That's been the walkways and the terraces, and unfortunately we're doing, it's going to be a silver travertine for all the patios over here. It's going to match their house. These people have this house next door here, and that's what their outside pavilion and kitchen are over there, and they want to match it, so that's what we're doing. So all these patios down here, about 2,500 square feet of it, is going to be the silver travertine. So again, this is the veneer that will be finishing all the walls, the fireplace, kitchen area, and everything with. So that's the update. Let me show you around front. Got the walkways going in from one of the big front landings to the other landing around the front of the house. We got Jose laying that. Got a big landing, and it's about a 7-foot wide walkway. And yeah, doing a great job out here. And then it's going to curve over to the other side. But Jose's doing a good job, and unfortunately he's by himself, working hard. He's got his hard hat, cowboy hat on, looking slick.
Do not accept.
No bueno?
What? It's too low.
I said no bueno.
Who is? Decline. Incoming call.
Negative, Ghost Rider.
Decline.
Jose is the man. He's done all the...
Welcome to another adventure of Danger Sanchez. Today we're laying a
Blue Mist.
Blue Mist patio walkway. We're going to continue it from one end of the stairs. We're going to connect it down to the opposite side.
A nice sexy curve in there.
A little curve in it. So right now I'm laying out the main section of the walkway. Later on, we're going to come down with a cutoff saw, trace it, and cut it out.
That's right.
So
that's the best way to do. That's the best way to do curves, right?
Here at Suit Landscaping, we strive to be the best. Suit Landscaping is it's the place you want to be.
That's right.
Welcome to the big leagues.
All right, let's see how you finish this one off.
All right, so here we go. This one, I add a little mortar to it.
A little tiggity tap.
I'm gonna tap it down so I can meet it with the next stones that I previously had on. And this walkway has a pitch coming down this way, and also I got a tight little pitch coming off this way. So we want the water flowing away from the house.
That is correct.
So these stones meet, flush down here, high right here. So tap. You can run a straight edge across. Make sure those stones.
Yeah, we check for flatness, guys, with these straight edge, no rocks.
If it was off balance, you would have a hump in the middle, something like this.
You'd have a rock.
And that's what you don't want.
Exactly.
So right now, stones are nice and flat. No rock in the stones, which means it's pitching and it's flat.
That's right.
Let me do it.
All right. So Jose is going to go all around. You can see the dense grade all set up. We got a bender board just to, kind of help out, see where the curves are going. But this is all going to be curved over to the next big landing. So Jose is working on that. He's got his string line set up. We had already determined our pitches over here. These landings are actually at different heights because of the way the house is, and there's about a 5-inch difference. So we lost about 3 inches that way, and we'll have 2 inches this way. We want to have the low spot in this part here to drain down into the low part of the yard. So that's what we're gonna do. So all the veneer stone has come in. We're gonna get it delivered over here. We're gonna get some guys starting to veneer the long driveway wall. That won't be in anybody's way, so it's a game plan. We also, again, have veneer going on in the building across there. We're gonna work on that. Dave's all set with the pipe, and then everything is backfilled up on the tops of the wall. That'll be good. All right, well, that's the update, guys, and I'll check in with you probably Monday. We're gonna get this all rebarred and formed, and then Tuesday we'll have a 52 meter here, I believe, 52 meter pump from Facillo Ready Mix. Yeah, so all right, I gotta go.